everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to tie in a T into your existing plumbing line. Now this is very important to know how to do if you're running into a remodel project where you need to tie into a bathroom to rerun all your plumbing. For this job, we'll be using a battery-powered Sawzall, a flathead screwdriver, 2 rubber couplings, and our T. So the first thing you need to do is to cut into your pipe where you want the T to go. Here, I have glued together a piece of pipe with my T in it. I'm going to be joining it in to this line here and running it on through this pipe here. Sometimes you run into pipes that you can't move enough to get in a coupling or a T to be able to glue it in there. So what you need to do is prepare a T like this. You have a piece of pipe coming out of one end, glued into your T, and then another piece of pipe coming out of the other end. I didn't put both pieces real short because that delivers a strength issue. You want to separate those rubber couplings so you can get a strap in there and support that so it's not sagging on you. So what you'll do is you'll cut out a piece of your pipe a little bit longer than the piece you prepared. After you've done that, you'll take your rubber coupling and slide it over the pipe all the way on both sides. So then you'll take your T, slide it into position, and slide your rubber couplings over the top. Then you can place the position of the T as you need it. Then you'll take your flathead screwdriver and tighten up your rubber couplings. Now it's important that if your pipe is hanging, that you have a strap placed right in between your T and your rubber coupling on both sides of your rubber coupling, because it now has created a little bit of a weak spot where if you're only supported on the ends, you could get a sag in your pipe. You want to make sure that it's supported all around your rubber couplings. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.